wife of late veteran Prudencio Reyes, AFP, wife of late veteran Brigadier General Miguel Villamor, Mrs. Teresa Villamor, Mrs. Adoracion A. Santos, wife of the late Major Rodolfo Santos, Philippine Army, Mrs. Crescencia Felicia, wife of late veteran Technical Sergeant Maximo Felicia, and also Mrs. Hermelina Oraye, wife of the late Corporal Emiliano Oraye. Other attendees, the men and women of UCPD, magandang hapon po sa atin lahat. Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Quezon City Police District, it is a great honor to deliver a message and gratitude in this very significant gathering, a program dedicated to our esteemed Korean War veterans. First and foremost, we extend our warmest greetings to our respected beloved guests, Honorable Vice Mayor Dian Soto, Lieutenant General Edgar Alan Cubo, Reverend Pastor Yang Bo, Reverend John Wong,